Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor. Happy New Year. A couple improvements. Installer just got back early today and we had a couple of issues back here. Let me show you what we did. So on the back side of our air compressor, we've got these loops that run up. This helps us get the moisture condensation out. And we had a pretty good leak up here. And so we pulled it apart, fixed the leak. But as what we figured out was we only had these holders vertically on it. And so it had vibrated loose. And so this is our improvement. We just had a piece of rope on the improvement cart. We wrapped around it. That will keep these set of pipes from sliding down. While we were out here, we were noticing our equipment had watermarks and stuff on it. So we grabbed two scrap pieces of material and we screwed it on the end. We got a fence there on the backside. So now this is a lot more protected from the weather, keep things drier and cleaner. This area here, we just had a bunch of scrap steel and some plywood and stuff hanging around, and it had been kind of messy. So we cleaned that all up today. Clean this area up, so now we can back the vehicles back in closer. And then the other thing, around the corner here, we had some scrap material out here. It got wet, the whole deal. We got lucky. We put our trash out on Friday. It's out over there. We're gonna stack all this stuff on top of it. And the garbage guy was pulling up next door, and he drove right in here and he says, "Hey, did we forget to dump that?" I said, "No, we dump on mine." He goes, "Well, I'll dump it for you." So we dumped it. We were able to chop all of this up, throw it in the garbage, and roll it out. And so we were actually ahead of the game on garbage. This is the first airline drop coming into our shop from outside. We have a cooler on the outside. We have a water separator, a whole deal, and we still get moisture right here on this first one. And before, this valve was right here at the top. And if we weren't checking it on a regular basis, it would fill up. And then it would fill up this line, which is a nail gun line, which is always fun. So my improvement was I just added 8 inches of pipe to that. So now that we have a reservoir there, it'll hold that. If we get any water buildup in there, that it holds it up here and doesn't fill the lines.